What's good, my beautiful dingleberries? It is another beautiful day out here in Northern California, and today I'm at Lake Berryessa hoping to catch some big fat pre-spawn bass. The time right now is 4 p.m. so I got about 3 hours to fish before the sun sets, and my goal for today is to get a limit, so hopefully I'll be able to catch 5 bass today. And with that being said, it is time for me to shut the fuck up and start fishing. But before I put down the camera, I am gonna take a hit off of my dab pen. Cheers, y'all. Oh shit, I'm snagged. Damn it. Not good. I only have one of these Keitech jigs. If I lose this one, I do have other jigs, but I really like the Keitech jigs. Damn it. I hope I don't lose this. Oh yeah. I got it. Woo! I really thought I was gonna have to break that thing off, but I finally got it. Took me like 2 minutes, but kept the jig, didn't lose it. Well, folks, I've been fishing for about 2 hours now, and the bite's incredibly fucking slow today. I spoke to a couple fishermen as they were leaving. They told me that the bass are starting to move up shallow. There's quite a few of them that are already on beds, you know, they're getting ready to spawn and whatnot. So I was excited when I heard that, but to be honest with y'all, I haven't seen a single fish up shallow today, which is not a good sign. I honestly feel like I'm fishing at the wrong place, the wrong part of the lake, which sucks because, you know, I'm on a kayak, so I can't travel from one end of the lake to the other end because this lake is fucking huge. Berryessa is a really big lake. So, yeah. I really want to catch one fish, at least one fish today, man. I don't want to get skunked. I found the spinnerbait, the jig, drop shot. Couldn't get him to bite anything, but hopefully my day will turn around. We'll see. Yep, there we go. Hooked up. Yes! Finally! I caught a fish. Yeah, come in here, buddy. Ooh, he's about to jump, Don't jump. Please don't jump. Oh, there we go. Finally caught a fish on the drop shot. Barely felt this guy bite. Woo! No skunk, baby. No skunk. Yes. Alright. Ooh, he's going for another run. I see you. Alright. Come on now. Behave. Get into the kayak. Quit resisting, buddy. Is that a smallmouth? That looks like a smallmouth. Did my eyes deceive me, or is that a smallmouth? Oh, no, that's a largemouth. Alright, come in here, buddy. Yeah, boy, finally. Oh, took me forever. Took me like almost like 2 hours and 15 minutes to catch this fish. Whew, totally worth it. The grind was totally worth it because I beat the skunk. Whew, so happy, so relieved. Honestly, I'm just so relieved that I did not get skunked, guys. Whew, first fish of the day. Woo! Alrighty, bud. Thank you so much for biting. Deuces. Oh, oh, there's a fish. Oh, he chased after my jig. Oh, damn, that's a big fish. That's a big bass. Oh, shit. That's a big bass. Oh, my God. Oh, no, I lost him. Damn it, he threw my jig out. Damn it. Oh, that was a big bass. Oh, that was a big bass. Oh, damn. Man, I can't believe I lost that fish, y'all. Ah, I'm still salty as fuck about that loss. Damn it. That was fucking heartbreaking, guys. I'd say that fish was at least 3.5, maybe 4 pounds. It was definitely a solid bass. Oh, there's a fish. Yes. All right. I'm not gonna lose you. Come in here. Come into the kayak, buddy. Come in here. This guy just swam with the jig. I saw my line moving. I was like, oh shit, fish on. Is that a smallmouth? This one is a smallmouth. Yes. And he choked the jig. Yeah, this one's a smallie. Woo! Will I get the trifecta today, folks? Maybe. We'll see. There are spotted bass, largemouth bass, and smallmouth bass in this lake. For those of y'all that don't know. Whew. What a gorgeous, gorgeous smallmouth. Yeah. Okay, buddy. Thank you so much for biting. See ya. Ooh, there's a bite. There we go. Hooked up. Yep. Got him. Oh, that's a smallie. That's a nice smallie. Come in here, bud. Don't break me off. Come on. Come on. Don't throw the jig out. Yeah. There we go. Another fish, folks. Another fish. Third fish of the day. Woo. Yeah. All right. This is a pretty smallmouth. Pretty looking smallmouth. Definitely. I love the colorations on the smallmouth. A gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous fish. All right. Let's get this thing out your mouth. There we go. All right, jig's out of her mouth. Okay, bud. Deuces. Ooh, there's a fish. There's a fish. There we go. Got him. Yeah. Oh, damn it. He threw the jig out of his mouth. Damn it. It was a small bass, though. No biggie. Alrighty folks, I am back at home now after another fun day of bass fishing. Initially, for the first 2 hours or so that I was out there, the bite was pretty fucking slow for me because unfortunately, I spent a lot of my time fishing at my old stomping grounds, thinking that they were gonna yield some fish. But sadly, that wasn't the case. So today I had to cover a ton of water, and eventually, after making like 1,000 casts, I found an area that did have some fish. So in total, I managed to catch 3 fish today. 1 largie on the drop shot and 2 smallies on the jig. And unfortunately, I did also lose 2 fish as well, so I could have had a limit today if those 2 fish did not throw the jig out of their mouths. But oh well, it is what it is. And with that being said, it is time for me to light up these 2 joints before I hit the sack. Cheers, y'all. this joint right here, as y'all can see, is donezo. So I'm gonna put it out and till the second joint. Ooh, fuck. I'm high as shit right now. God damn. On a scale of 1 to 10 right now. On a scale of 1 to 10, I am on a solid 8. So I'm baked. This joint is donezo. Will this camera focus? There we go. This joint's donezo, as you guys can see. So I'm gonna put it out now and drink some water because I'm fucking thirsty as shit. Oh, that was much needed. All right, y'all. I'm gonna sign out now because I'm baked off my ass and I'm ready to hit the sack. So I will see you beautiful dingleberries on my next stoned fishing adventure. Peace out, everyone.
Listen.